Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The Banu Israel used to take a bath in the nude and look at one another's private parts, whereas Hazrat Moses alayhi salam would isolate himself and take a bath in privacy." Banu Israel said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the reason of Hazrat Moses taking a bath in loneliness is that he is suffering from scrotal hernia." Once Hazrat Moses alayhi salam went to take a bath, stripped off and placed his clothes on a stone. The stone fled away, taking his clothes. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam whereupon chased that stone, saying, "O stone, give me my clothes. O stone, give me my clothes," until the Banu Israel glimpsed Hazrat Musa's private parts and said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Hazrat Moses alayhi salam has not contracted any disease." Then the stone stopped. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam looked at it and took his clothes and started beating the stone. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, there were 6 or 7 marks of beating of Hazrat Moses alayhi salam on the stone. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 768.